my channel. I'm here with the gorgeous Beatsbydeb, coming to get a face beat. Yes, I'm so excited. We're gonna get started. If you'd like to say anything to the camera.
Yes, my name is Deja. I am the owner of Beatsbydeb Makeup Artistry. I'm located in Southfield.
Yes.
And I'm very honored.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
We all know about you. So for you to be in the chair, it's kind of like, welcome to my humble abode.
I saw your work and I just say, yeah, I need that.
Yes.
So we're gonna do that. Beatsbydeb. Deja, she was just such a sweet woman. I am so glad I got to book this appointment with her and just have such a great time speaking with her and just, you know, enjoying my appointment. And honestly, I'm humbled. I loved the experience, as you can see, even from the aesthetic of her background, of her studio. Just so gorgeous, inside and out. She was just so sweet. So I just really enjoyed the way Dej actually applied my makeup. It's just very interesting. As you see her using a wet sponge, she just prep and prime me. I'm just loving everything about the sponge. I don't know, it feels so good. Now, I think this is something that's different from a lot of makeup artists and people, even myself, like using the sponge. But I tell you what, I feel like it just, you know, it shows true to her brand, which is the dewy glam. And my thing is, we did talk about this and I asked her, you know, like, wow, are you like really into dewy makeup and stuff? And she does. She loves it. She said she really does love it, but she found that, you know, dewy glam is not something that really held up as much as, you know, like a matte glam would, you know, where you're piling on all these lasting products. And so what she did is she adjusted, and knowing that people really do like dewy makeup, but, you know, it's just not feasible when dealing with long-term, you know, makeup looks where you're wearing these looks out for hours. So she adjusted to that by using products that work well with longer use, but at the same time still getting that dewy type of effect over time. So, you know, leaving her chair, you wouldn't necessarily be dewy, but over time, wearing the look throughout the night, you get that worn in look and it just gives a nice glow. So she said she uses products that gives you the dew, but doesn't, you know, just break away. So I loved that. I love that she told me about her brand, and I love when people can just adjust, you know what I mean? And I just really enjoyed this makeup application. She's doing my base first, and you'll see her like do my base and do a few other things that I was just surprised by. So I'm so happy to just be sitting here being pampered. Absolutely. So as you can see, she's literally just setting me now. And I just really liked how instructional Dej was through my appointment. And when I mean instructional, I mean really just talking to me throughout the process to make me feel comfortable. So I'll talk about that a little bit later in the video, but she just is very open and really wants you to just be comfortable. And I can tell she really cares about her clients. This is also another appointment where the mirror, there's a giant like wall mirror in front of us, and you'll see her keep looking back and forth between me and the work in the mirror. And I just think that's so good to just be able to kind of see yourself throughout the process. I think, you know, you really care about your customer and doing that. Shoot, when I was doing makeup, ain't no way. I used to be like, nah, you can wait to the end. I'm like, look, surprise, shawty, and you gonna love it, all right? So I do really like that aspect though with the mirror as well, where it's like, you know, you can see yourself throughout the process. If you do wanna change something, you can speak up and say so. There's no hiding, there's no secrets. Go ahead and look, baby, you know? So I think that's pretty cool. Also, as you can see, she literally like outlined my brow, under my brow, and then she's not even filling the brow in yet. She set my whole eye. I don't know why, I just love that. I really want to start incorporating that, because not only do you get like a nice set lid, but you can kind of she's going to do my eye makeup, and it's like I can see my eye look before doing my brow, and then after I do my eye look, it's like, okay, now what kind of brow do I want to go for? You know what I mean? Instead of the other way around where it's like, okay, I do my brow first, and off of this brow, what eye look? I'd rather say do my brow according to my eye look, if that makes sense. So I just liked that. Obviously, I couldn't see what was happening. I was trying to guess, but you know, when I open my eyes, I still look. The mirror is pretty far. Look, I ain't got my glasses on, baby, so I couldn't see that well. So I was still kind of guessing, like, I don't know what she's doing, but it looked good, you know? So yeah, I just really enjoyed this. I also like how Dej really just cared about skin prep, and like you can tell that she cares about the skin of the client as well. And I really like that because skincare and makeup go hand in hand in my eyes. So please, like, care about my skin, because I try my best, you know, because I like a smooth application. I'll be trying to care about my skin. And so she really prepped and primed me really well before starting the appointment. And she just keeps going back in with that wet sponge. And it's like, it's just a buffer. Like, it's a nice eraser to kind of just keep things flowing well, everything incorporated. I love it. And she's just getting into my eyes, blowing those out. Everything's looking gorgeous. So here's something that Dej did that I didn't know is she set my creases, like my cut crease, with translucent setting powder. I think that's pretty dope, because then she went in with, you know, an eyeshadow that's like the exact same color as the concealer. And if you ever are looking to do that like really neutral, really natural, soft cut crease, like, I mean, I love that, because the translucent setting powder is really good for all the creases on my eyes, y'all. My creases are so bad on my eyes. And I think this is a really good method to avoid like the product just building up there, because I tend to not use concealer for that exact reason. It's just a little bit too oily for me to where it just be slipping and sliding in those creases. I hate that, you know? And so I just really like that she did like set it first. I'm going to start incorporating that for sure. I'm starting to feel myself. All right. So here's where I'd say Dej is just very instructional, is when she was dealing with my eyes and later with my mascara and lashes and everything, like the waterline, all of it. She just really wants everything to be comfortable for you. And you can tell she's like taking a Q-tip to my eye. She's not playing around. And when I say instructional, she will show you exactly what she wants for you to do. So, and she gives you tips and tricks to where it'll help you not be in that like really uncomfortable state. And she's moving quick, mind you. She doesn't want you to be sitting there just like about to pass out because you got to get through this mascara, you know? It's like quick, swift movements and just very comfortable. Because I tell you what, that waterline, baby, I said, doing this on yourself just does not feel as bad as another person's hand in your eyeball, okay? So yeah, she just did a really great job of just making me feel really comfy. At this point, the face is sitting, baby. You might as well just, I'm gone. Like, the concealer, lips, and all, and I'm about to walk out the room, baby, looking good. Do you hear me? Like, the no lash, like, no brow right now. Like, there's no brow, and I feel like I could probably walk a runway right now. That's crazy. It looks so pretty. Like, almost like airbrushed. How she's getting into filling in that brow. I just love it. She just swift, quick movements until she gets the brow she wants. And like I said, I'm into that because I can go as thin, as dark, as light as I'd like. And I can see how it like does with my face. Like, you know, if I, look up and I feel like the brow's too light, then I'm like, okay, let me keep darkening until I feel like it matches my eye makeup. Oh, I just love that. You better cut up, Dej. Girl, I was about KO. Do you hear me? I also love that she used Vaseline to like rehydrate my lips before going in with that liquid lipstick. Do y'all lips be feeling like a desert after you put on liquid lipstick? That Vaseline saved my life. Like, again, caring for her client. Like, she knew my lips was dry. Okay? Thirsting. All right? And she said, let me get some Vaseline for my girl. I love that. I love that. Okay, I'm starting to feel myself. Everybody gets scared now. Started to feel myself. You better cut up, Deja.
You are all done.
Yes,
let me get a little mirror.
Please, thank you. I can't even see that.
Yeah, too.
Oh my goodness. I can see from here. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Wow. It literally looks airbrushed.
Yes, we love that.
This is really pretty. Wow, you did a great job.
Thank you so much.
You did a great job. I love it. I actually love it with this hair and everything. Like, I feel
Yeah.
like everything kind of came together.
Mhm.
What you mean symmetry? This is perfect.
Girl, look, I was
Yeah.
holding my breath.
I love it. It's very soft, actually.
Yeah.
It's very soft, but it doesn't feel heavy either. But I know this is cool. This is
Yes.
cool. That's really pretty. I love the way you did my brows too.
You see it. Ate that up. Ah, it's so soft, pretty, peachy. It's like the perfect blend.
Yes. It is. I love